Hey y'all, so thought I would come and do a update video, especially for one particular person because I got a little bit of time. And I can't stand when people have to run their mouth. Just eye roll and scroll. If you don't like something, mind your business. Mind the business that pays you. But on a different note, let me give you an update. My hair, I did a touch up maybe it was in March. I did because I always do in March and October, November, depending on what. But so I did a touch up. As you can see, my hair, I just put it in a braid. Last night I blow dried it and then that was it. And I just put it in a braid. This is my new growth. So I got some new growth going on. So all I'm doing right now is just taking a flat iron and just putting it right on this part, just this first row, and then right here. That's all I did. I just sectioned like that thick and just put the flat iron right there, and that's it. So this is how I wear my hair. When I wear it down, I don't have to flat iron it or nothing. This is the health of my hair. As you can see, very healthy. Here's my ends. Very healthy. All I did was blow dry it. That's it. My hair is very healthy. This is all my hair, in case anybody is wondering. It's all mine. All my hair. Okay. I know in my original video, my hair was probably like right here. That was 2 years ago. I just cut, I want to say like an inch or two off. But with it curled, wavy, this is where my hair goes. Right there. That is where my hair goes. This is like the very top, you know, where my butt starts right there, you see? So that's where my hair goes. Very healthy. I don't know how long I've been doing the Japanese hair straightening. Honestly, it's been a couple years. I love it. My hair grows. I actually get less split ends than when my hair was curly. Yeah, and I do the treatment every 6 months. Again, I'm not licensed. I do it at my own risk. And yeah, so I like it. And that's it. Yeah. Again, this is what my ends look like. Very nice and healthy. Nice and healthy. This is my texture. Okay. And then I already kind of flat ironed that part. I'm just lightly flat iron. I'm not doing like a whole lot. Because I actually kind of like the volume. But this is what I do when my roots start growing out. So I just blow dry it. I use the Dyson blow dryer. I love it. Your hair has no frizz in it when you use that. And I just, you know, work it out. See? That's my hair. No split ends. Very healthy. Nice and shiny. That's it. And these are my roots. I did it in March. So it's probably like a ½ inch of new growth. My hair grows really fast, so yeah, my hair grows really fast. And I cut it periodically, like, and it'll grow right back. Just if anybody's curious, I will show you what I use in my hair. This is the this is what I put in my hair before I blow dry it. This is the Licio Crystal. I don't remember how much this costs, but it's just a hair treatment. You're supposed to apply it to 2 pumps of product into your palm, spread thoroughly in your hand, and apply mainly at the ends and then blow dry. So I actually use 2 pumps on both sides. My hair is kind of long, and I don't like flyaways. So I do put some like on my roots and stuff. It gets absorbed and it's back to normal. As you can tell, it's not heavy at all with those 4 pumps. Not heavy at all. So and very healthy. And this is how I get my waves and stuff. All I did was blow dry it. And like I said, I use the Dyson blow dryer. This is what I use. I love this blow dryer, and I use this attachment, and I blow dry it. The brush I use, I'll show you that. I use the little let me clean that. I got a little hair in here. I use the Tangle Teaser brush to blow dry my hair. I love this brush. So this is what I use. And that's it. And then once I blow dry it good, it takes me about 15 minutes to blow dry my whole head. Blow dry it, and then I put it in 2 braids, and that's it. Sometimes I will use my Amika heat straightening brush or whatever. I like that too. But when it comes to getting my roots, it doesn't really straighten out my roots too much, but it will get my hair very nice and silky and stuff. But the blow dryer and then putting it like this overnight, it does just fine. So I don't worry about that too often, because I don't really enjoy doing my hair. So, which is why I did the Japanese hair straightening. But that is the process. So once I flat iron this side, then my hair will look completely like that. And, you know, it's very pretty. So, and I just have to, you know, blend it up. Sometimes I'll do like a straight part, and then I will go and go diagonal from one side to the other, and then do 2 plaits that way. That way you don't have that part down the middle, and you don't have to disrupt your waves and stuff. I'll do that. So I'll kind of take it like that, if that makes sense. And I'll do 2 ponytails like this. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see, but I'll do 2 ponytails like that, just straight down. And then as you can see, when you take it down, it's already, you know, it'll be in the right way. But if you have a split down the middle, then you might have to disrupt your curls and stuff. I do not wear no rollers or nothing like that. I hate sleeping with that type of stuff. So these really work for me. Another thing you could do is 2 just wraparound buns, and now get your hair with some nice curls to it. But yeah, that's how I do my hair. That's it. And it's nice. Nice. Yeah, so that's about it. Isn't that cute? That's my little warmer I got from Scentsy. That I'm warming right now. Black raspberry vanilla. It smells so good. So that's what I'm warming right now. And if anybody wants some smell goods, I'm gonna put the link in the description. And you can also go to my website and request some free samples. And it's on my blog pages, it's a banner on the sidebar that has a link for free samples. So you can also sign up and tell me what what type of fragrances you normally like. I'll give you some free samples, mail them right out to you. So that's it, you guys. I just wanted to give an update on my hair length, you know, because clearly it's still healthy and it's growing and everything else. My goal is, I'm not going to cut my hair anymore. I mean, I'm going to trim it and stuff, but I'm going to let it get as long as it will get. And that's it. Yeah, I'm going to just leave it and get as long as it wants or whatever. But yeah, my hair, it seems like it's doing really good. So that's it. I'm going to end this video here. I got to go play with my little babies. So I mean, you know, I don't really record videos or whatever, but yeah, if y'all want to see something else, just let me know and I'll get it to you. All right, bye.